Two Filipino sisters were reportedly among the 3 fatalities in a New Year's Eve fireworks explosion in a neighborhood in Honolulu, Hawaii. The sisters were Carmelita Toralva Benigno and Nelly Toralva Ibarra. The blast also left at least 20 others injured, including children. Authorities said the explosion was triggered when a lit bundle of mortar-style aerials tipped over and shot into crates of unlit fireworks. The Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, has yet to release an official statement on the tragic incident.
Uy, alam mo
parang nabasa ko yun, sabi niya parang cake daw yun eh.
Oh, alam mo na experience ko yung ganyan eh. I think I was 11 or 12 years old. Nandun kami ng daddy ko at mami ko somewhere. I don't remember.
In the States?
House ng tito ko. No, here sa Philippines. Tapos yung quitis na dapat pataas, eksakto nung palipad na, bumagsak yung bote. And so yung lumipad yung quitis straight forward to the bundle of mga Judas belt. So nagtakbuhan kami lahat behind the cars. Nagliliparan sila. So it's very dangerous talaga if you don't have kasi meron silang fireworks technicians talaga that do this, or fireworks engineers, pyrotechnic engineers. Kaya yung mga display all across from Makati, BGC, Eastwood, all over.
Mga designated areas.
Oo, designated areas.
Pero kasi ito sa
may naka-standby na medics, may naka-standby na firemen, and it's designed by technicians, pyrotechnicians. Tingnan mo, kahit sa US ay mostly mahigpit diyan, pero nagkaka-problema din sila.
Itong family na to, they created GoFundMe campaign para dun sa nila hospital expenses.
Terrible. Sad news.